Hi there, it's China here with another How video showing you how to turn your website into a lead generating machine with real-time visitor interaction based on what they do and the ability to record and follow up on engagement via your CRM. My website is one of the places that potential customers find out about my product and show intent to purchase through the pages they visit, how long they spent on each page, and a whole host of other activity. So how do I use Zoho SalesIQ in CRM Plus to make sure I'm capitalizing on every lead generation opportunity? First, I need to enable and add SalesIQ to my website. To do this, from the side menu, I click on SalesIQ. If you have not used SalesIQ before, you will need to add it to your active apps by searching and then following the setup instructions. Once SalesIQ is launched, I'm presented with some code to add to my website. This is quite similar to how you would add a Google Analytics tracking code. But my life is about to get a whole lot easier because I'm using Zoho Sites to host and manage my website. So all I need to do is integrate the applications. From my Zoho Sites account, I click on Integrations and then SalesIQ. Select my Zoho CRM Plus account. Make sure that I enable Add Live Chat. This is the bit I need to make all the magic work. And then click on Connect. Now my website and SalesIQ will start talking to each other. And I can see that the home screen has now changed on SalesIQ to a radar, showing me all the people on my website. And live chat has also popped up on my webpage. Now for the clever bit. To really crank up that engagement level, I want the chat box to pop up with a special offer when a visitor navigates to a particular product page when me or my team is online. To do this, I need to set up a trigger. I click on the settings icon and then triggers from the automate menu. From here, I click on add to create a new trigger. I give my trigger a name, set up an audience criteria. There are quite a few options here and allow me to trigger a chat based on anything and everything under the sun. But for simplicity, I'm just going to select current URL page and copy in the URL from the particular product page I want the chat offer to show on. Next, when will that trigger happen? Again, there are a few options here, but because I want this just to show when a particular page is landed on, I select Lands on Website. Then I need to set up the trigger type. In layman's terms, what will it show to the visitor? I have two options here, a custom banner, which requires some coding, or a chat invite. This is the bit I want. I enter an operator name, when the live chat will appear, and the message I want to show. Then I click Save to enable the trigger. And here's our chat in action. Next, I want to make sure that I'm recording all of these live chat conversations in my CRM as leads, so that I can track them in my reporting and follow up on them if I need to. In SalesIQ, I navigate back to the settings page, click on Integrations in the Developers section. Select Zoho CRM and then Enable. Now all my chat leads will be recorded as you've just seen. Now, what happens if the web chat doesn't convert to a sale during the conversation? But they were interested, so I want to set up a task for the sales rep to follow up. I need to set up a quick workflow to enable this. In my CRM, I go to the settings and then Workflow Rules. I click on Create Rule, select the module it relates to, leads in this instance, and give it a name. To build my workflow, I first need to set up when the task will be created. I want this to happen when a new lead, record action, is created. Now, I need to set that a task will only be created for chat-generated leads that have not had anything done to them yet. Next, I need to add the task. In Instant Actions, I select Activities and then Task. I create a new task. I give the task a subject when it's due. I can also set the status and the priority. Assign it to a sales rep or reps, making sure I select to notify them, which will send an email and remind them to follow up. I then add my description and save. Now my team and I can engage with all of those previously untapped potential leads from my website, delivering more relevant and personalised messaging. And continue those conversations where required, so that my business is always making the most of every revenue opportunity. That's pretty powerful stuff, I think you'll agree, and definitely a gear change from just sending out outreach emails. And that is just one of the amazing things you can do with the apps within Zoho CRM Plus. To go on, try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching.